Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's the problem for today, for exam P on probability. Let x1 and x2 be a random sample from the uniform distribution on 0, 1, and let y1 equal to minimum of x1, x2, and y2 equal to the maximum of x1, x2. So basically y1 and y2 are order statistics of this random sample. Find f sub y of 1 of y1 given that y2 is equal to y2. And you have 5 choices of the possible formula. And here's the solution. So we recall the formula for the joint PDF of two order statistics, and we obtain immediately that f sub y1 y2 of y1 y2 must be equal to 2 factorial times f sub x of y1 times f sub x of y2, and that's 2 factorial times 1 times 1, so 2. This actually tells us that the joint PDF of the two order statistics is uniform on the region where 0 is less than or equal to y1, less than or equal to y2, less than or equal to 1, because, of course, the first order statistic y1 is less than or equal to the second order statistic y2. And therefore, we conclude that the conditional distribution of y1 given that y2 is equal to y2 is uniform on 0, y2. And you can actually see this better by looking at the figure below. So here is the story. The shaded triangle is the area where the joint distribution is distributed. Of course, y1 is less than or equal to y2. And it's a uniform distribution. The area of this triangle is 1/2. So the joint PDF of y1 and y2 is 2 on that region. And we are asking, given the value of y2, what is the conditional distribution? And it's conditional on this event that y2 is equal to y2. And of course, given that the joint distribution is constant on that triangle, this means that y1 given that y2 is equal to y2 is distributed on that thick line, and the distribution is uniform because the joint distribution is uniform on the shaded triangle. And this means that for y1 greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to y2, the conditional density is f sub y1 of y1 given that y2 is equal to y2, and it's equal to 1 over y2, which is answer C. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem was created by me. The solution is mine. All rights reserved. Reproduction in whole or in part without express written permission from the author is strictly prohibited. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.